Okay guys, good evening. This time we are going to be injecting our females for spawning purpose. So for that reason we'll be using hormone, which is synthesized hormone that we are going to use to induce the ovulation of the fishes. So it's injected at the rate of 0.5 ml per kilo of fish. Then we need to weigh the fishes to know how many mil of the ovulation we are going to inject to them. Here is the scale. We have target set already to 0. So bring that back. You can see it is at 0. So then here are our females. Here they are. So I'm going to be taking the one after the other. Inside the bath that we used to tag this cage, then we know how many kgs she weighs and know what quantity of hormone we're going to inject. So wow, that's huge. So that's about 4.6 kg. 4.6 kg. So 4.6 kg. Cover the face for the female to relax. Then we are going to do the calculation. 4.6 kg, 4 kg is already giving us 2 mil. The 0.5, about 0.25 mil, that is 0.025 mil. I'll be injecting to this female. So I'm going to take my syringe, okay, back to 0. Then I'll draw the hormone. Here it is. I'll draw it 2.25 mil. Okay, that is just there. And now, where and how to inject. Look at it here. This is the dorsal fin. Alright, you have pectoral fin, side fins, but we are going to consider only the dorsal fin. And this is the muscles. So, some few cm away from the dorsal fin inside the muscle. Then we inject this way. Straight. Then we press it gradually. Gradually, till it enters. So once it finishes, we will just allow it for a while so that the hormone will circulate inside the body. So when you remove the syringe, it will not actually return out and come back and waste. So you just allow it for some seconds. Once that is done, you can kindly remove your syringe and cover the mouth back for some few seconds and then release it. So that is it. We've injected one female tonight, ready to go and be kept. Alright, we go to the second female. We're going to see her out. Don't make it too much noise. Very hard. About 4.2 kg right now. Okay. Now I want to show you guys something. I should have done it earlier, but it's escaped my mind. Look at it here very well. Bring the camera close. Alright. Gently, my dear. Gently. So this is the genital papilla of a female. Look at it clearly. You can see how it is. Reddish, small. So that's how to recognize female. Tomorrow I'm going to be showing you the male, so you make the difference. Thank you. So I'm be injecting. I have 4.2 kg, right? So the 4 kg is giving me 2 mil, 0.2, 0.1 mil. So I'm having 2.1 mil to inject. Make sure I don't return the air so I don't inject air to the fish. 2.1 mil. Here it goes. The same way is the dorsal fin. Okay? We check on the muzzle here and we put it in. Get me that rack, please. you cover the head for her to rest. Then you insert your syringe inside. And then you press it gradually. Push the hormones gradually, slightly inside. Okay. You wait some few seconds. You're gonna wait a few seconds. Then you cannot bring it out. Well, that is it. And you cover it. Here we go. We are done with the second female. So third female is injecting tonight. She smells very heavy. We are annoying. So yeah, we're gonna have to by attacking that. Okay. Wow, seem to be okay. See, we have 4.6 kg also. So 2.25 here. Okay. Alright, here we go. And for the same process. Here is the thing. Put it inside. So press. Good. It's in. And take it out now. Just sorry. There we go. Let's cover it. That's okay. So we are going to keep the inside water. So I'm waiting tomorrow morning to strip the eggs out. Was okay, we'll keep the females inside the water. Okay, come on, okay. So follow me. So we're gonna keep them gently, no stressing, no hurting them. So they are our future moms. How is it? Crossfit, and so that's the second one, and I'm going for the third one. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Okay. Do the same thing. Drop half here. Alright, and that is it. Okay, guys. We just inject and condition them against stripping tomorrow morning. So tomorrow we'll be showing you how to strip the eggs, how to fertilize it, and how to incubate it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.